Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the perfect gift for kids? Whether it's a birthday, holiday, school achievement, or a special surprise, choosing the right gift can bring so much happiness and excitement. Today, we're sharing 20 fun, creative, and practical gift ideas for kids of different ages. Let's get started. Number 1. Building blocks set. Helps improve creativity, imagination, and problem-solving skills. Number 2. Educational puzzle. Fun and learning combined in one activity. Number 3. Coloring book and crayons set. Perfect for creativity and artistic expression. Number 4. Remote control car. A super exciting toy for kids who love speed and action. Number 5. Storybooks collection. Encourages reading habits from an early age. Number 6. Plush toys. Soft and comforting companions for kids. Number 7. Interactive learning tablet. Educational games and learning apps in one device. Number 8. Board games. Great for family fun and bonding time. Number 9. Watercoloring set. Safe and fun creative activity for children. Number 10. Musical toy instruments. Helps kids explore rhythm and sound. Number 11. Lego set. Boosts creativity and building skills. Number 12. Sports kit. Includes balls, skipping ropes, or mini sports equipment. Number 13. Outdoor play tent. Perfect for imaginative play at home or outside. Number 14. Kids backpack. Cute and useful for school or travel. Number 15. Personalized name puzzle. A fun and educational customized gift. Number 16. STEM learning kit. Encourages science, technology, and innovation. Number 17. Glow-in-the-dark stars set. Perfect for decorating kids' bedrooms. Number 18. Cartoon water bottle. A fun and practical everyday item. Number 19. Art and craft kit. Keeps kids engaged in creative activities. And finally, number 20. Surprise fun day out. A trip to the park, zoo, or amusement center to create happy memories. The best gifts for kids are those that are fun, safe, and also help them learn and grow. A thoughtful gift can bring joy and support their development at the same time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.